Hello everyone, my name is Alexis Komor, founder and CEO of Hyphen Agricultural Imaging Solutions. I am here to unlock the magic of phenotyping. In this series, I will uncover the keys to understanding the 6 dimensions of phenotyping. Plant phenotyping is the art and science of measuring plants to record some attributes of a plant, what we call a trait in the phenotyping world. A trait is a combination of, first, a biophysical variable such as plant height or the reflectance of a specific wavelength of light, a sensor measuring the biophysical variable, a specific analytical method to convert the sensor signal into a trait. You can measure the same biophysical variable with different sensors. For example, plant height can be measured using a LiDAR attached to a tractor or an RGB camera attached to a drone. There's an excellent paper from Madec in 2018 describing this. In this series, we'll describe the 6 dimensions of plant phenotyping. First dimension, the x-axis, describes a point on the horizontal plane. Second, y-axis describes a point to a vertical plane. Third, the z-axis adds the third dimension to an image, giving its depth and texture. Fourth, theta describes the orientation of the sensor making the measurement. Fifth, lambda is the wavelength of the signal recorded by the sensors. It can range across the spectrum from X-rays to the visible spectrum to infrared, going to thermal or even radar wavebands. Sixth, the 6th dimension is time. It can help describe at the same time the short-term changes of biophysical variables between days and nights, for example, or for instantaneous traits to the plant phenology, which is the stage which the measurement is done. In the following 6 episodes, we'll give you more details to each of those dimensions. These episodes are inspired by the work made at UMT Capt in Avignon, and I wish to give a special mention to my old mentor and PhD advisor, researcher director Frédéric Barret. At Hyphen, we process images data every day from satellites to drones to phenomobiles and smartphones. We would be delighted to hear about which traits are of interest to you in your agronomic inquiries and see if it can help you access image analysis to achieve your phenotyping goals.